What's up, guys? Coming back to you guys with another iced out Cuban link review, man. And before I start this video off today, I want to thank you guys for everybody who's been subscribing, who's been liking the videos, and everybody who's been going to Asteroids Jewelry and buying chains, man. Thank you guys for all the support. Now let's get on to this review. Alright, so let's get right into it. So right here I have a 12mm prong set iced out Cuban link, and right here I have the Jesus piece just to go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some close-ups, put it on my neck, show you how it's looking. Let's get to it. Alright, here's a 12mm iced out Cuban link up nice and close. There's the back, there's the side, prong set stones. Let me go ahead and go over all the specs with you guys. So this chain is white gold plated with high quality stones. There you can see them shining right there. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a shine test in a little bit. Give you guys a little overview of the whole chain. The box lock to me is the most beautiful part about this whole chain. Alright, I'm gonna go over the box lock with you guys. So you go ahead and open this from right here. Click that open. You get this piece right here and put it on the inside. Hooks onto a little metal latch in there. Clip that on, and after that's on, man, there's no taking that off, man. It's a very strong, very good, very sturdy security lock. So right here is our Jesus pendant. There's the back. It's not a solid pendant, but it has a plate on the back. There you can see right there, high quality CZ stones. Shines like crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a flashlight test on this one too. Iced out bail, iced out beard, iced out hair, iced out eyes. Very beautiful, very big pendant, and it fits on the 12mm iced out Cuban link. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks just with the chain first, and then I'm going to throw on the pendant later. Alright, let me give you guys a close-up. Alright, there it is on the neck, a 12mm iced out prong set Cuban link at 20 inches. That's how it looks. Let me go ahead and bring that box clasp around, because I know some of y'all like wearing the box clasp in the front or on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and put that over there for you. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and throw in the pendant for you guys. Alright, so one thing you guys do need to know when you purchase the chain and the pendant together, the chain does not fit directly into the pendant. You have to give it a little bit of a tilt. So tilt it up a little bit, push it in, and it goes straight through. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on for you. Look at, guys, look at that right there. Look at that. Ooh, that is some heavyweight stuff right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the neck. Alright, so here it is together, the chain and the pendant. A very nice look. They both fit very good together. Look at that right there. Very great combination. There you guys go. We'll go ahead and go outside and show you guys how this thing shines in the sunlight. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the flashlight test for you guys right now. Go ahead and put the flashlight to it and show you guys how these stones shine like crazy. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh, this is the jewelry that you guys want right here. Top quality jewelry. A lot of time and patience is put into this jewelry, and this is the outcome. We sell the best jewelry right here, man. Top quality stuff, man. This is it right here. Look how that jewelry is shining like that. Look at that on my neck, shining like that. This is what you guys want right here. So if you guys are interested, the link is down below, asteroidsjewelry.com. We got the link down below. It'll bring you right to the pendant and right to the chain. And you know, if you guys like that ring too, of course, it's on the website too. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video for you guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys stay to the end for this beautiful piece right here. If you guys are interested in anything you guys saw in the video, of course, the link is down below, asteroidsjewelry.com. Also our Instagram, asteroids_jewelry. And there you guys can see everything. You can stay updated with us. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Go ahead and like the video, and go ahead and comment down below if anything. If you guys want to see any review on any other chain, just let us know down below and we'll give it to you. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and answer some questions from the last video. So our shipping takes from 1 to 2 weeks. We're a new company. We're starting up. We're giving you guys the best quality stuff that you guys can get at the best prices that you guys can get. We're trying to make our shipping faster, but just work with us for now. We're gonna have faster shipping in the future. Some other questions were, are we legit? Of course we're legit. There's people that commented below on our last video that got their jewelry. A lot of people have been putting in orders. Thank you guys for everybody who's been putting in orders. And yes, we're a legit company. Follow us on Instagram, DM me. You could talk to me personally. I'll answer any of your questions, any questions you have about our jewelry, about what it's made out of, about our base plates. And guys, one thing for sure, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna tell you what the base is. I'm gonna tell you what it's gold plated with. I'm gonna tell you what the stones are. Nobody's BSing nobody over here. You're getting what you pay for, man. And this is it. Alright guys, thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. Go ahead and watch some of our other videos if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on the next one.